Hey folks, we're out here at the greenhouse and we're going to change gears a little bit. We were going to cut some trees down, but it's such a pretty day and it's not really that cold. I'm going to try to get the roof on and maybe some windows on. And mailman just came. Hope he brought me my seed catalog I've been waiting on. But anyway, we're going to start back on the greenhouse. I'm going to get this through. I don't think it's going to take that much longer. All the big stuff's done. All I got to do is put the roof and the sides on. And then we got to repaint the bottom. So it's a little too cold to repaint today. We wouldn't do that. So I'm gonna start with the roof. And what I got for the roof is it's a clear material and it's polycarbonate. And you got to be careful because you can't put it like a PVC material on the roof. And I'm gonna put clear PVC on the sides. You can do that, but on the roof it gets too hot and it'll turn brown. That's why I spent a little extra money at a metal that makes metal roofing, and they had this there, and that's what they recommended they do. And they said just use regular nails. So I got some nails and they're white, or not nails, screws. So it'd be just like a metal roof installation. So I'm gonna get this one. I got I think my length is 16. I'm going by memory, and the width is 8. These are 3, so I'll start with a 6-inch overhang, and I'll put these up, and then I'll put the big pieces up. And I ain't got this bottom on yet, so I'll have to add that later. It's not that big of a deal, I don't think. I'm gonna put me I got a barrel over there. I'm gonna catch rainwater and make me a rainwater watering system too. So anyway, we're gonna get started with these first panels, and then we'll do the big panels. So it's a little bit windy. It's more windy right now than when we got out here and got started. So hopefully it'll be all right. So we're gonna get started. And I got my partner here. She's gonna raise me up in the tractor, and we're gonna use it as a ladder. So we're gonna get raised up there and get this first panel on. Okay, what I'm gonna try to do is hold this at 6 inches this way, and maybe 3/4 of an inch down, because I'm gonna put a piece of gutter right here on this once I get this board in there. So about 3/4 there. I tell you what, I don't like that. I'm gonna go about 4 inches, and then I'll somehow, if I have to cut that next last piece, I'll do that. All right, I'm gonna put one here to hold it, and we'll get the other one. Now, I'm also gonna put a piece of gutter here too, and then I'm gonna tie that into my water barrel. So let's see if I can get this one. All right, so I'm gonna put a couple in this and we'll go to the next piece. Oh, I see one problem now. I should start from the top. Oh boy. because I figured it from the top. Shoot.
Do I need to start over?
Can you hand me a big piece? Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'll cut that top up there and put a board here. All right, let's move on. Hand me a short one.
Tape measure up to see how much overhang.
Yeah, I can either go there or I can go over here and cut it.
How much did you do across there?
Just about 3 inches, but it's not gonna matter because I'll have more stuff coming up.
Yeah, you'll have that piece going across the top.
Let's put a couple there.
Alright.
Okay, I'm gonna move the tractor around to the side and get this big piece kind of laid in there, and soon we'll have to cut that. So we'll get moved around there and set the cameras back up. Now I just put a couple of this. I'll come back and put more screws in this. Don't think I'm just gonna put a few in there and let it go. I'm gonna get it kind of lined out, make sure everything kind of square before I get too carried away. Perfect. I cut that and then my roofing was too short, but I slid the roofing down, so I got to pull it back up. So kind of scared me there. If anybody needs a good rooster, I still got that. And if you're watching this and you live close to me, I'll give it to you. So the next big piece I'll have to get from the inside on a ladder. So Might get you to hand it to me while I'm up here, then I'll get it from the inside. All right?
Do you?
Yeah. So I'm gonna get that up there and then get it placed, and we'll move the tractor around. I'll film that side.
Taking you a nap, Dixie. Hmm.
All right, so I got the middle piece on, and I got this last piece on. I got one screw in it. I went and marked and cut this off here. It's just like the other side. So I'm gonna screw this right here. She's gonna back me up, and I'm gonna go down and screw this last piece down. Then we're gonna move to the front. I really need to put this other piece back on because this might get some storms the next day or two, and I'd hate for all that to rip off. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the front on and nail the front. So we get it all up, and I like maybe just three screws over on the other side. I'll get them in a minute. But I'm gonna go ahead and pull around to the front, and I gotta put that board back up, and this roof will be done. So this tractor's been pretty good. I wish the bucket was about a foot, maybe a foot longer, like my John Deere. It'd be easier. So anyway, we'll try it out. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little unboxing real quick, and I got me a new toy. I got actually been saving up gift cards for my birthdays and Christmas, and I ordered this the day after Christmas. It's a cordless nail gun by Pass a Load, and this is, I really ain't even got to fool with it because I've been sick and haven't been fooling with it. So, I'm gonna get to use it here. I'm gonna use it to nail those that board back up. But it runs off, don't need an air compressor, so pretty excited about that. And I hadn't even read the instructions. You think I should read the instructions before I put all the stuff in? But I know it takes a battery, so I got that. And somehow you put fuel in it, but I don't know for sure how. Oh, right here. That's cool. So you got to have these little fuel cartridges, and it says it'll do. Seems like I ready to do 1,200 nails. So it takes a fuel cell, and it just goes right in there. Uh-oh. All right. I got a thing of nails. All right, one thing I found out, you got to push that battery all the way in, so if you don't, it don't work. So I got the fuel cell loaded, got some nails. Let's see what it does. Ooh. All right, different than the air one, but I have to pull that one out. But that one did good. That one did good. The rest of them did good. So I like it. It's light. One thing, I can use this on my fencing, and of course I'm gonna build a little shed down at the high tunnels where I can store my stuff, like my tiller and my brush mower and all that. I won't build that, so that's one reason I wanted this, so I can take it down there and not have to worry about it. All right, so let's swing around there. I'm gonna get up there and get that piece up so we can get this wrapped up. All right, so I got it all done, and we got it all done, and looks good. Real happy with it. We was hoping to get the windows up today, but it's getting late, getting cold. I gotta go do my chores, so we'll do those at a different time. I guess it depends on the weather and everything. If we'll videotape it, we'll see. I think it's supposed to rain Monday or snow Monday, I think, and I'll come out here and see if we got any leaks. But anyway, I'm gonna go in and get down, and we'll look at it from the other side. All right, so it's really cool in here. I like this. It's gonna be really nice. Appreciate everybody watching. I guess the next step we can go ahead and put the windows and doors and all that stuff on in the side. And the reason I didn't want to put the windows in was because I was putting the roof on. I just knew we'd bust a window. So we'll do that later. And but one step closer. Appreciate everybody watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Support your local farmer. And we'll see you down here in the farm in the next video.